Namaste to all the beautiful souls who is watching this, who gathered here. First of all, wish you happy International Day of Yoga. Yoga is not just an exercise. It's a practice that will help you to explore yourself. It's a practice that integrates your mind, body and spirit. It's a practice that will help you to work on your physical, mental, emotional and spiritual well-being. It's a practice that will help you to heal yourself naturally. It's a practice that will help you to explore yourself, your potential, and become the best version of yourself. That is the reason the United Nations has recognized International Day of Yoga. From today onwards, I want you to make this as part of your lifestyle. Even at least for 5 minutes, if you practice that today, whatever I am going to teach, the breathing exercises, if you can integrate that into 5 minutes into your lifestyle, that is going to transform your life completely. Today we are going to explore a small simple breathing practices which are very, very important. Breathing is a bridge between your body and your mind. By controlling your breath, you can reverse your health disorders, physical health disorders, also the mental disorders. The first thing when we are born is inhale. The last thing we do is exhale. What we have in between is our breath. If we don't have our breath for next 2 minutes, we don't have our life. The breathing, when you come to the breathing, when you become aware of your breath, that means you have become aware of your present moment. We always live in the past or in the future. Breathing will help you to bring you to the present moment. So today let's explore the simple breathing practices which you can integrate into your lifestyle. So please sit comfortably. If you cannot sit on the mat, you can sit wherever you are. That's completely fine. But make sure that you are comfortable. So roll your shoulders back. Keep your spine erect. If you have back pain, take a back support. It's completely fine to take a back support. But make sure that you're completely relaxed while in this position. Roll your shoulders back, chin perpendicular to your body. Look forward, palms on your thighs. First, we'll begin with equal breathing. Why? Our breathing, first we have to bring rhythmic nature to our breathing. Then only the exercise can be happened. Due to our lifestyles, there is no rhythmic nature to our breath. We all are breathing shallow, stressful, anxious. So that's why let's bring the rhythmic nature. Then we'll practice diaphragmatic breathing. Place your palms on your thighs. Relax your shoulders and neck. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your nose. Now let's make it rhythmic. Breathe in 1, 2, 3. Breathe out 1, 2, 3. Breathe in for 3 seconds. Breathe out for 3 seconds. Now slowly close your eyes. Keep your eyes closed. Breathe in slowly for 3 seconds. Now become aware of your breath. Breathe out for 3 seconds. Do not force. Do it as per your capacity. In case if you cannot inhale for 3 seconds, try to breathe in for 2 seconds or 1 second. But inhale through your nose. Exhale through your nose. Let's repeat this for a few more times. Breathe in 1, 2, 3. Breathe out 1, 2, 3. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your nose. Become aware of your breath. You may get different thoughts, but slowly bring your attention back to your breath. Keep focusing on your breath. Breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly. Breathe in for 3 seconds, breathe out for 3 seconds. Last two times. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3. Breathe out, 1, 2, 3. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Keep your eyes closed, observe the changes. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Next, we are going to practice diaphragmatic breathing. One of the important, powerful breathing practice which corrects your breathing patterns, activates your diaphragm muscle, stimulate your digestive organs, activate your vagus nerve, parasympathetic nervous system, and many more. By just practicing this two breathing exercises every day, you can see a lot of changes in your mental level, physical level, and emotional level. So let's do this. So left palm on your left thigh, right palm on your navel or your belly. Do not press, gently place it here. Breathe in, bulge your abdomen. Breathe out, relax your abdomen. While inhaling, push your belly out. Only use your belly, do not use your chest. Only belly. Breathe in slowly, push your belly out. Breathe out, relax your abdomen. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Now keep your eyes closed. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3. Breathe out, 1, 2, 3. Bring this rhythmic nature to your breath. Breathe in for 3 seconds. Breathe out for 3 seconds. Mentally count 1, 2, 3 while breathing in. While breathing out, slowly exhale through your nose. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3. Breathe out, 1, 2, 3. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep repeating this. With every inhalation, take positivity and happiness. With every exhalation, release your tensions and worries. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. Focus on your breath. Keep your shoulders relaxed, neck relaxed, spine erect. While inhaling, the belly is coming out. While exhaling, the belly is going in. Observe the expansion and contraction of your belly. Breathe in. Breathe out. With every inhalation, you are becoming calm and relaxed. And slowly, last time, breathe in. Breathe out. And release your hand. Keep your eyes closed. Observe the changes. Become aware of your breath. Observe the changes in your physical level, mental level, and emotional level. Slowly and gently rub your both hands. Generate the heat. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes within cup of your palms. Smile on your face. Slowly release your hands. Thank you so much for practicing along with me. But I do not want to end this session with this. I do not want you to stop from today. I am afraid that you will be stopping from today. I want you to continue your journey from today because this is a starting point. That's why I have designed a small gift for all of you. Let me share my screen and explain you what exactly this is, how you can continue this journey for next 21 days, because whatever you do for 21 days, it will stay for long term and it will become your habit for you. So I want you to practice this for next 21 days. Spend just 5 minutes. By just 5 minutes you're spending, how you can improve your health. So let me show this by sharing my screen. For the next 21 days, I have designed this planner for all of you. So this planner is going to help you to guide you the practice and progress yourself for the next 21 days, because whatever you do for the next 21 days, it will remain forever. So that's why on day 1, if you see, we have introduced inhale for 3 seconds, exhale for 3 seconds. That means you have to just breathe in for 3 counts, breathe out for 3 counts. And day 2, inhale for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds. That's how we are progressing. From day 3 onwards, we have inhale for 2, exhale for 4. That means we have introduced longer exhalations for you. You just need to practice this for 5 minutes, dear friends. That's all. Just 5 minutes. If you can practice 2 times in a day, you can get fabulous results. If you can take that 5 minutes instead of scrolling on social media, this is going to help you and transform your life completely. And also, if you see, on day 11, we introduced hold. Inhale for 3 seconds, hold for 3 seconds, exhale for 3 seconds. In case if you're suffering with hypertension, high BP, if you feel difficulty in holding, you can avoid this holding. But others, most of you will be able to hold because you already practiced for 10 days. You can able to hold it. And again, if you come to day 19, we introduced external hold. That means breathe in for 2 seconds, hold for 2 seconds, exhale for 2 seconds, and hold it for 2 seconds. So I want all of you to practice this, and every day when you are practicing, try to mark it here. And once you finish your practice, please pass this to somebody else. Okay, so that they will also get benefited out of this. If you see here, we have also given a QR code here. In case if you want to be part of live workshop, if you want to learn more deeper level with me, I have given a free workshop QR code here. It's actually cost 999 rupees, but we are giving you completely for free of cost as a gift, Yoga Day gift. You can scan this QR code and be part of our workshop. I hope you will continue this journey. Thank you so much for watching me, and please make sure that you're practicing, you are integrating this to your lifestyle. I do not want this yoga day just end with a celebration. I want you to continue this journey. I want us to celebrate after 21 days. After this 21 days, and please tag us on social media. You can find me on Badrinath Gella and also Breathe with Badrinath on Instagram or wherever you are. Please tag me so that I'll also be able to see your progress. Thank you so much. Namaste.